issued a flash flood warning for Morris County in northern New Jersey, north central Somerset County in northern New Jersey, until 10:45 p.m. At 6:46 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Morristown, Dover, Madison, Hopatcong, Florham Park, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Kinlawn, Chatham, Boonton, Butler, and Wharton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 29 and 53. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 27 and 48. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Yay!
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Here is the regional